Lamborghini Urus car review. The super SUV that redefined performance. The Lamborghini Urus is not just another SUV. It's a bold statement that performance, luxury, and practicality can coexist in one striking package. When Lamborghini, a brand traditionally associated with low-slung, fire-breathing supercars like the Aventador and Huracan, announced it would enter the SUV segment, many purists were skeptical. But the Urus didn't just prove them wrong. It created a whole new category, the super SUV. In this detailed review, we'll dive into its design, performance, interior, technology, and driving dynamics to see why the Urus remains one of the most desirable high-performance SUVs in the world. Design, aggression meets elegance. From the very first glance, the Lamborghini Urus screams attention. It carries the brand's signature aggressive styling with sharp lines, bold angles, and a menacing stance. The Y-shaped LED headlights and the hexagonal air intakes on the front bumper draw a clear visual link to its supercar siblings. Despite being an SUV, the Urus maintains a coupe-like silhouette thanks to its sloping roofline and wide haunches. The side profile reveals massive 21 to 23-inch wheels, depending on the trim, giving the Urus a dominant presence on the road. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips and the sporty diffuser hint at the beast lurking underneath the hood. Lamborghini has also included countless customizable options in paint, wheels, calipers, and carbon fiber accents, ensuring that no two Urus models look the same. Performance, supercar DNA under the hood. Under the hood of the Lamborghini Urus lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 641 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system. This powerful combination propels the Urus from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 3.6 seconds, making it faster than many sports cars on the market today. Top speed? An exhilarating 305 km per hour, 190 miles per hour, making it the fastest SUV in the world when it was launched. The Urus also features multiple driving modes, including Strada, Street, Sport, Corsa, Track, Sabia, Sand, Terra, Off-Road, and Neve, Snow, allowing drivers to tailor the experience to any terrain or mood. There's also the optional EGO mode for customizing your preferred settings for steering, suspension, and drivetrain response. Interior, luxury meets technology. Step inside the Urus, and you're immediately enveloped in a cabin that feels like a futuristic fighter jet. Lamborghini's designers have created a cockpit that blends cutting-edge tech with Italian craftsmanship. Premium materials like Alcantara, leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum cover every inch of the interior. The hexagonal design theme continues on the dashboard, air vents, and control buttons. The center console features 3 digital screens, one for the digital instrument cluster, one for infotainment, and another for climate control and seat settings. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, all displayed in crystal-clear resolution. The seating is equally impressive. Both front and rear seats offer excellent comfort and support, with plenty of legroom for taller passengers, especially in the optional 4-seat configuration. Driving experience, power, poise, and precision. Despite its size and weight, over 2,200 kilograms, the Lamborghini Urus handles like a much smaller performance car. Thanks to features like adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, active torque vectoring, and carbon ceramic brakes, the Urus delivers confidence-inspiring dynamics at high speeds and on tight corners. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising on the highway, the Urus remains composed, agile, and incredibly fun to drive. What's truly surprising is how civilized it can be in daily driving conditions. In Strada mode, the ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and the engine hums gently in the background. But switch to Corsa mode, and it transforms into a loud, angry bull, delivering aggressive throttle response, sharp gear shifts, and that addictive V8 growl through the exhaust. Practicality, everyday supercar. What sets the Urus apart from other Lamborghinis is its real-world usability. With a spacious rear cabin, 616 liters of trunk space, and the ability to tow up to 3,500 kilograms, it's a Lamborghini you can genuinely use every day. Whether you're going on a long family trip or running errands in the city, the Urus combines luxury with versatility in a way no other Lamborghini can. Additionally, it comes with a suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system, bringing it in line with top-tier luxury SUVs in terms of driver assistance tech. Conclusion: a new kind of raging bull. The Lamborghini Urus isn't just an SUV with a Lamborghini badge. It's a full-fledged performance machine that stays true to the brand's DNA while embracing modern luxury and practicality. It combines thrilling performance, iconic design, and everyday usability in a way that very few vehicles can. For those who want the heart of a supercar with the body of an SUV, the Urus delivers an unmatched experience. It's not just about going fast, it's about going anywhere, in ultimate style, with brutal speed. Whether you're a Lamborghini enthusiast or a luxury SUV buyer seeking something unique, the Urus is a masterpiece that redefines expectations.